So I have resolved the problem for me about the virtualization of sorry, XM, searching Google how to make it. After this, when you run the first Android Studio the first times, you got this screen. And here you can open your existing project or start new project. And for me, I will start new Android Studio project. So here you have some default screen. We call them activity. You will see this other. And I will choose an anti-activity. Here you have the name of your application. Choose what you want, okay? And you have the package name. The package name is very important. Okay, don't worry about this for this video. I will show you when you will use it. And you can, for example, choose here, for example, your first name and last name, for example. And here you will choose the directory for your project. And here you have a language. For me, I will choose Java. In next course, inshallah, I will show you step by step Android development with Kotlin or with Ionic. I will let you choose what is the first one. And here we have minimum API level. Okay, that's very important to choose the level of your API. Why? Because if you choose the latest, for example here API 22, a lot of I will let you, a lot of mobile or Android phone, your application will not run in this device, because this device or this phone doesn't have this latest version of API. Okay, and if you choose it, for example, here API 20, as you can see here, your app will run on approximately in 85% of device. Okay, but if you choose the recommended API level, here you tell me 100%. It's good. Okay, and you can also, here you have two options. This project will support instant app or no. Choose it let it by default. And when you finish, click and finish. My computer is very low, it's very long. So now we have our Android Studio. Here we run or we build our application for the first times. And here we have a lot of things. So this, I will not use it. We have in the left side, we have project and resource manager. And we will work here in project. Okay. We have also here all what the message will be shown in our application, different exchange. We call them log. Also, here in our project, we have two things. The first one is your project directory. Okay, inside this directory, you have the directory that's called app. Okay, and inside this directory, we have the directory it is called src source. After this, we have three directory, and we will work in this directory, main directory. Inside this directory, we have two principal directory, Java and resource. And third one, I will explain what is this, Android manifest.xml. In Java, we have the package name. For me, I have chosen faisal.azib. This is package name, faisal.azib. Okay, allow access. It's for about, yes, about your antivirus. Maybe block Java. Allow it, no problem. So let's continue anyway. I have stopped here. Okay, in this directory or inside our package Java, we have package name. For me, it's faisal.azib. For you, you can make three subdirectory. Yeah, what you want, choose what you want. Huh? It's not very important. So inside this directory, we have the file called main activity. It's a Java file. Inside we have the package, as you can see here, faisal.azib. And here we have import class. Just click to the 3 point, and we have two class app compatibility activity and bundle. I have told in this in Java Basic, for example, I have import list and map, if you remember. And here I have my class. It's called main activity. And this, don't worry about this, extend app compatibility activity. It's by default. And I have method that's called onCreate. It's by default. Okay. Activity, you can see it as a screen, and inside it you will make all the action about the screen. The screen is what you see, but all the action, for example, when you click the button, when you change the text, all this action will be managed in the activity, in this file, main activity or any other Java activity. So let's continue. And here also I have talked about this test directory if you want to implement the test file. The second directory that's very important is resource. Here we have a lot of directory, drawable, layout, map, and values. The layout, inside the layout you will find the presentation of your screen in another file as an XML file. It's another interpretation of your screen, is what you see. Here, look, I will click in here. Yes, I think the build isn't finished now because it told me to wait to when the build will finish. Okay, I will open it again. So let's talk about another thing. And in here I have another directory, drawable. In this drawable, I put another resource. For example, image. I can put also audio, for example. But the principle is for an image. I have map also. Here I will put the size of my icon for different screen or for different device compatibility. For example, you have tablet, small phone, big phone. It depends on your screen of your device. And here I will choose the size of my icon. Okay. Also, I have values. These values is static. I will show you. For example, strings. In this file, you can put all your variable that doesn't change. For example, I have put here the name of my application is my application, or I will choose here my first application, for example. Huh? And I will associate this value to my variable app name. If I want to choose the name of application or to get or to show the name of application in in activity, I don't write each time my first application, I will use this variable to get the name of application. Okay, we say this step by step. Don't worry about this. And I have a lot of another file here. For example, I have colors. I will put all the static variable of colors and styles. You can create another file here. Now, it is not necessary to choose the same thing, but it's by default. Okay, so I will come back. I think the build is finished. I can come back to activity main.xml. As you can see here, I have the screen. I know it's very, very, I will make it very big. Take. So how to, that's good. It's very good. Here, it's my screen by default. It contains simple text. And here, I have different views. What is view? It's different component that you can use in your application. I have text, as you can see, button, different text, password, plain text, font address. I have button, another widget, layout. You will see all this view, a lot of them in this course, inshallah. We have also here a different version of device for phone, as you can see, and different screen. We have tablet, rear, and TV, and you can customize as you want. What we can also see here, we can choose the mode for portrait or landscape. Okay, and here your API version. So now I will run the layout, the emulator. To run the emulator, you just click here in this green button. It's play as play. Okay, so just click here, and the first ones will tell me I don't have connected device. As you can see, no USB device or running emulator detected. So if you plug your phone in your PC, in your computer, of course you must install some drivers if you don't install them before. If it's okay, you can see the name of your phone here. But me, I will use the virtual device or the emulator. So I will click create new virtual device, and maybe I can get an error. Now, the procedure will tell me to choose the version of device. And as you can see, it's for the screen, it's very large or small or medium. And here I have the category, also TV, with another device or screen longer. I have Wear OS and tablet, but I will choose by default for Pixel 2. Okay, I will click to next, and here they tell me, as you can see, to install the version of the Android. And if you don't download it before, just click to download. I will choose the first ones. It can take some times. And always I get the error with this tools hacks them. I don't know why. Maybe I got it now also. So I will install it. I will resolve this problem. If I take a lot of time, I will come back. I will make the pause for the video and I will come back when I resolve it. And I hope to show you how to resolve this problem also. It's very important. As you can see, the size of the file is very big, huh? 1 gigabyte. Wow. So I think it doesn't take more than 1 minute. Okay. I think I will make a pause for the video because it will be very long. I will come back when it's finished. So now I have finished the installation. I will make finish. And he told me to install Haxm. So I will make it. Just click to the next. Has been considered due to a section effect unexpected. Please contact administration. Okay. I don't know why. It's up to date. Okay, no problem. So I will make next. And here I can of course choose the name for my emulator. I let it by default. And here I can use the mode of the orientation of my application by default in portrait or landscape. And after this, I just click to finish. Okay, as you can see, I have the emulator. So now I just click to OK. OK. Until Haxm is required to run this IVD is not installed. I think now I will again resolve this error. Okay, because when I make this, sometimes requires that the password to your device is installed. Install and continue. Okay. He told me I have installed some tools. To run the emulator not perfectly, but very well. I make it by default. I follow what the Android Studio told me. As you can see, I am as user. I just follow what he told me. But the problem is with this Haxm. I don't like it. Because I enabled it in my BIOS. I don't know why. I will see, maybe I have another error with, or some restriction with my antivirus. Maybe. So, click finish. And here, as you can see, we have the text that your system can. Okay. So we click next. And I will see why I can't install it. I will make the pause of our video. I will search in Google why I have got this error. And I will come back when I resolve this error. As you can see, I show you all the steps. What different type of error that I have got. It's very important. Okay, and when I found the resolution or how to resolve this error, I will come back and I will show you what I have found to resolve this error. So see you after this, inshallah. When I search, I found it's very quick the solution. A lot of person told when you install Haxm from Android Studio, you will get this error. Then to install Haxm, just go to the source of the Haxm and install it. And for this, you will get it from GitHub, from repository of Intel. And here is it, Haxm. And for downloading it, just go here. If you would like to contribute, not here. The latest Haxm release for Windows on macOS host available here. and choose the version of your computer, Mac OS or for the Windows. Okay, and download it, install it. It's very, very quick. After this, I will run again the emulator. Okay, and here I hope that I don't got the error. Yahoo! Alhamdulillah. Yuppie! As you can see, I don't have the problem. But the emulator, you will see, he eat a lot of routers. I think it's very, very long. I hope it doesn't take a lot of time. As you can see, I have got some problems and I have resolved them step by step. And you must put it in your head or in your mind. If you are a developer, if you want to become a future developer, inshallah, you will get a lot of bugs. Okay, very lot of bugs in each process, in each step. You got an error. Maybe the first one, the first basic program, you don't get it, but when you introduce advanced concept in your application, web application, mobile application, Windows application, macOS application, what you want, you get a lot of bugs. And for this, go to the log and get your error, the message of your error. Put it in the Google and go systematically to Stack Overflow. Don't worry, a lot of persons before you have got this error, and you will see a lot of answer about this. Maybe in some programmation language, it depends on the version of a library. For example, if you are a G2 developer as me, if you use Spring, Hibernate, for example, the version changed before different each different year, and the error change. Sometimes you must specify the number of version of your error. Okay, and here I think the emulator was finished. I don't know where is the emulator. I will start it. I don't know. It's blocked or no. I don't know if it's blocked or no. I don't know. I will run it again, I think. So I will run it again. As I say, it depends on your capacity of your computer. Huh? I hope that I got the first screen. Okay. I don't know why I have got the black screen. I don't know why. So here, I don't know why this black screen. It doesn't like me. I am waiting. So here in the right side, you have this panel, and with this you can shut down your emulator with this button. You can play with the sound, increase or decrease. You can change mode, as you can see, portrait or landscape. You can take photos, you can make the zoom, etc. Okay, I am waiting. I don't know what is the problem. Take photo, okay, but why? I don't know why. I got the black screen. I will try again until I got the full screen, the good screen. I mean the Android main screen as the phone. So I will make another time. Pause for this video. I'll come back. Alhamdulillah, finally I got it. Oh, I think my computer is very long. As you can see, here is the main screen of the emulator. And here we run our application. Yes, it takes a lot of time. It depends on your computer. Okay, I ran it again and I got it. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. I am so sorry to make a lot of pause for this video because I have got a lot of error, as you can see. I don't want to make it very, very long. I think it's 1 hour. I don't know how many times I have talked in this video. So in this video, inshallah, we will begin to introduce step by step component of Android in our first application. Thank you very, very much, brothers and sisters, to have seen this video until this moment. I hope that you can run the emulator without any problem, not as me. See you tomorrow, inshallah, or in 2 days or 3 days. It depends of my time. Again, thank you a lot of. Like the video, share it with your friends, and goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.